This is demo video of our app. We can see two screens. In the left, one of the user is already logged in. Now on the right, we will create a new account. So let's click on a create a new account. Now fill the required fields. Username, email and password. User can sign up or log in through Gmail also, but here I am using email. Now account is being created. So here we have four main sections: chat, mental health care, post and about us. In chat section, user can have one-on-one conversation to share what they are going through. So here we have all the list of users, those who are already signed in. So these are the list. Now we will have one-on-one conversation. So Anushka, we are having conversation with Anushka. So we'll send and receive the message. Okay. Now we are able to send and receive the message very smoothly. Everyone can help someone just by being there at the right moment, and listening and sharing sometimes can be the best weapon against mental health. So this is the feature why we have added this one-on-one conversation part. Now if we don't feel comfortable talking to anyone, then we can block that user by clicking on that green tick. Now we will not receive the message or will not be able to send the message from that person's end. So let's see this. So we can see that we are not able to receive the message as we have blocked that user. Now in instruction section, it is instruction for user how they can keep their username so that it will be easy for them to find the right person. For example, let's change our username and write CP. As we saw, CP is for career pressure in the instruction given. So our profile is updated. Same we will do for the other person. And now it will be easy for us to find the right person. And also we are planning to add search filter so that user can easily find the right person. So here we can see username is changed, and this will help us uh, in finding whom to talk and whom not to talk. Now come mental health care. Here we have list of therapists in India. In adverse situation, users can contact them. So this is about section, and now we have post section which is coming soon. Here people can post related stories and can also read it. So that's all.